Hello, hi students, hi second graders. So here I am, Miss Mary again, to teach you the new vocabulary of Unit 5, which is related to two topics. First, we are going to study pets. Pets are animals that live with us in our house, with our family. Okay? And second, we are going to learn parts of the house. Okay? But this video is only to teach you pets, animals. Okay? Let's get started. The first one is this.
Hamster. Hamster.
Hamster. Okay? Remember, this is hamster. Okay? Hamster. And this is the action. Okay? Like small whiskers. Hamster.
Parrot.
Parrot. Okay? Like this. Parrot. And can you see? Double trouble. Two parrot.
Dog.
Dog. Okay? Dog. Dog.
Horse.
Horse. Can you see? This is horse. And this is the silent E. Horse.
Fish.
Fish. This is fish.
Puppy.
Puppy. So puppy is the baby dog. So when the dog is small, is a baby, we don't say dog. We need to say puppy. And this is a. And double trouble, double p. So puppy. And this is e, but at the end we write y, not e. Okay? Puppy.
Cat.
Cat.
Kitten.
Kitten. So kitten is the same as puppy. Kitten is the baby cat. Okay? And that's it. So now I'm going to introduce you my pets. So let me see, let me show you. These are my pets. I have two dogs, and one cat. This is my dog, and its name is Danny. This is Willie, my cat. You can see Willie here. And this is my other dog, Peppa. Okay, so students, have you got a pet? Let's see us in the class. Bye-bye.